Hey little ones, look what's here. It's a balancing barnyard playset. Are you guys ready to balance the farm animals on the barnyard? Well, I can do it for you guys. Let's go give it a try. And now let's open the box and see what's inside. And this is what it looks like inside. It has a barnyard to balance the animals, a cow, a sheep, horsey, tree, swan, chicken, doggy, kitty cat, bunny, piggy, a dog, and a rooster. And now let's start the game. Let's begin with the larger animals at the bottom so we get a stronger basement. So the first animal is going to be the cow. And the next one is going to be the horse. There you go, Nene. Let's now go with the piggy. Oink, 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 oink. There you go. The next animal is the sheep. There you go, Baba. Oops, perfected. Now let's start loading the smaller animals to the left. First, let's start off with the dog. The dog says, "Oof, oof." And now it's time for the rooster. There you go, rooster. Oops, that was close. And the next one is going to be the chicken. Let's try and slide it inside this small space. And the next is the bunny. There you go, bunny. And now I'm kind of confused between the dog and the swan. No, let's go with the swan first. Where do I place it? Well, like this or like this. Wow, it worked! And the last one to go is going to be the ducky. There you go, ducky. That was easy. Make it more interesting. Let's put the tree on top of the animals like a tree topper. Wow, we did it! It's time to pull the tree out. Uh-oh. Hope you guys had fun. See you in the next video. Bye.